Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday and it's time to go through our spelling words and activities for the week. This week, boys and girls, we're going to be working on our blends. You can see we're doing sp, st, and sw. For our first activity, I'd like you to click on and watch this video about the consonant blends sp, st, and sw. Down the bottom, I've got the link address you can type in, or you can click on the links in your learning timetable for week 2 or in your spelling folder for week 2. I've also made you these sound charts that you can refer back to during the week. Maybe you can go through all the sounds with someone at home. Look at our st. We've got st for stamp, st for stick, st for stool, st for stem, st for star, st for step, and st for steam. In our sp words, we've got sp for spaceship, sp for spin, sp for spoon, sp for spring, sp for spider, and sp for sponge. And our last one is our sw sound, sw for swan, sw for sweep, sw for sweet, sw for swing, and sw for swim. So here are your spelling words for this week. We've got spot, spot, spin, spin, step, step, stick, stick. Now look at the k sound. Remember, it's the CK sound. We've got swim, swim, and sweet, sweet. Now that's the trickiest word because we've got two vowels saying that long vowel sound E. So the two words we're going to really work hard on to learn this week is stick, because we've got the CK, and sweet, because we've got to remember that E sound is the two E's. Boys and girls, what I'd like you to do is to practice your words is to write your words out each day using our look, cover, write, check. Your activity for Monday is, first one is you're going to do your look, cover, write, check of your words. And then just like we're in the classroom, we're going to go back to doing our word sorts. Now, this is really easy if you're using the Jamboard. If you go into the Jamboard, this is what you're going to see. Down the bottom on the sticky notes, I've written out all your words, and they're easy to sort them under whether they start with the sounds sp, st, or sw. All you have to do is click on them and sort them under the right headings. However, if you're at home and you're working on paper, write out your words on little bits of paper and cut them up and put them in a Ziploc bag, just like we did it last year. And you can sort them out under the headings, and then take a photo of your word sort for me and upload it into your week 2 completed work document. Your Tuesday's activity, first of all, write out your words, all your spelling words, doing look, cover, write, check. And then today, I want you to, instead of sorting your words, I'd like you to type your words or write your words under the heading. So once again, if you're working on the Jamboard, it's really easy. All you need to do is double click onto the spaces and up will come a text box where you can type your words. Or if you're working on paper, that's fine. Just draw up a box at the table like this, put the heading sp, st, and sw, and you can write your words underneath the correct sounds. Then, if you're doing that, take a photo of it and upload it into your week 2 completed work document. Your spelling activities for Wednesday, our first one is doing look, cover, write, check of our words. And today we're going to be looking at making your list words plural. And we're going to do this by adding an S. By plural, that means making them say more than one. Look at my example. I've got spot, spots. Notice I didn't have to change the word in any way. All I had to do was add an S at the end. So once again, I know I keep saying this, but if you work in the Jamboard, once again, really easy, just double click on the space and up will come a text box and you can type your words in there. Or if you're working on paper, write out the words and then add an S to them, take a photo of your work and upload it into this week's completed work document. Our Thursday task, now you're going to be writing out your words one more time for the week. Remember, look, cover, write, check. Remember that last part to really check your words. Then I want you to choose 3 of your list words and I want you to put each one of them into a sentence. Once you've finished your sentence, I'd like you to double check it now. Did you start with a capital letter? Did you leave spaces between your words? Did you write your words on the guidelines? And did you finish with a full stop? Or if it was a question, you'd be finishing with a question mark. If you're using the Jamboard, once again, you just have to double click and up come a text box. If you're not working on paper, write out your sentences and once you finish with them, take a photo of them and upload them into your completed work document for the week. Well, boys and girls, that's your spelling activities for week 2.